Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing a common issue that Windows 10 users sometimes encounter, the black screen problem after login. Don't worry though, we've got a simple solution for you. So, let's dive in and get your screen back up and running. The first step is to press the Windows key and X simultaneously. This will bring up a convenient menu with various options to choose from. Next, you'll want to select Device Manager from the options provided. Device Manager acts as a hub for managing all the hardware components in your system. Once the Device Manager window appears, go ahead and double-click on Display Adapters. This section specifically deals with the graphics drivers responsible for displaying content on your screen. Now, it's time to double-tap on your display driver. This will open a new dialog box, providing you with further options to troubleshoot the issue. Within this dialog, go to the Driver tab and locate the option labeled Rollback Driver. This feature allows you to revert to the previous version of your display driver, which might resolve compatibility issues causing the black screen problem. Lastly, click on Rollback Driver to initiate the process. Windows will automatically remove the current driver and install the previous version. Once completed, restart your system and check if the black screen issue has been resolved. And there you have it. Follow these simple steps to fix the black screen problem after login on Windows 10. Remember, this solution specifically targets display driver issues, so if you're experiencing other problems, it might require a different approach. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.